The square root of 9 minus the square root of 8. Square root of 3 minus the square root of 4 times 2. The square root of 3 minus 2, the square root of 2. The square root of 3 or 2 plus 1 minus 2, the square root of 2. The square root of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The square root of 2 minus 1 brackets square root. Square root of 2 minus 1. Solution.